With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So the students, in this question it is mentioned that the cost of enclosing a rectangular garden with fence all around, okay, at the rate of 75 paisa per meter, okay. The rate is what? 75 paisa per meter, okay. And this cost is what? Is 300, raised 300, okay. And if the length of the garden is 120 meter, okay, length of the garden is given as 120 meter, we need to find the area, okay. We need to find the area of the field in square meter, okay student. So see, in this question we have this rectangular plot, okay, in which the length is 120 meter, okay. This will be our length, okay. And about breadth we don't know, okay. And the cost of it for enclosing with fence is 75 paisa per meter, okay. So the rate is given as what? 75 paisa, okay, which we can write as 0.75 per meter, okay, per meter we have given, okay. And the total cost is given as rupees 300, okay. So cost, or say total cost is given as what? Raised 300, okay. And we also given the length as 120 meter, okay. And we need to find the area of the field, okay. So this area is what? L into B, okay. L we have known to us, B we have to calculate first, okay. So for that we can use this data, okay. So see, the total cost will be what? Our total cost, I am saying with TC, is equal to what? The rate into the perimeter of this rectangular field, okay, into perimeter, okay. Total cost is given to us as 300 and rate is given as 0.75, okay, 0.75 per meter, okay. And perimeter of a rectangular is 2 into L plus B, okay, L plus B, okay. So this will be equal to what? 300. 0.75 we can write as 3 by 4, okay, into 2 into L is given to us as 120, and we have to first find B, okay. So this will be equal to what? C. These two cancel out here, okay. So our 120 plus B will be equal to 300 into 2, this 2 goes here and this 3 comes here, okay. So it will be 3, so 3, it will give me 100 into this will give me 100, okay. So this will give me 200, okay. So the sum of L and B is 200. So our breadth will be coming to be 200 minus 120, which will be 80 meter, okay. So mean we have now find it to be what? 80 meter, okay. Now it is easy to calculate the area, okay. So what will be our area? So now our area will be L cross B. L is given to us as 120 and breadth we have found to be 80, okay. So it will be 12 into 8 is 96, so it will be 9600 meter square, okay friend. So this will be our answer, okay. Hope you understand. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.